So today I am making a healthy masala vada or parippu vada recipe. Now this recipe is healthier because we are adding oats to the mixture, and chana dal is rich in protein and calcium, and both chana dal and oats are low in fat. So check the description for the ingredients list. So I've soaked the chana dal for 2 hours, and I'm going to dry roast the oats and fennel seeds until they are nice and crispy, and then grind that into a powder. Now after 2 hours of soaking, drain the chana dal for 2 to 3 minutes. There must be a little bit of moisture left, and then grind the dal into a paste like this. It has to be coarse, not very smooth. Now I'm adding the oats powder, salt, asafoetida, and the onion, ginger, green chillies and curry leaves which I've chopped into a bowl, and we're going to mix everything together nicely. So once the mixture is nicely mixed, we are going to make vadas out of it. So you basically take a ball of the dough and then flatten it on your palm like that. And the vada is ready. So let's make all of the vadas like this. So on medium-high heat, I've heated some oil. I'm adding a bit of the dough into the oil, and it should sizzle immediately, which means the oil is ready for the vadas to be fried. Now let's add the vadas one by one. Then we'll start cooking the vadas until they are nice and golden brown from both sides. Make sure the heat is medium high, otherwise it will not cook from inside and it will just turn brown from the outside. Once done, the vadas are ready to be served with some chutney. So try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe.